Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a transparent thing like this. And yeah, let's get started. So first, pick a costume. Let's say I want this bear. Just wait it to load. Yeah, and firstly you switch to the rectangle tool and select this color of the bear, and then draw a new costume and fill it with from this to fully transparent, and then zoom in, draw a square that is about like 8 times it. Doesn't have to be perfect, but yeah, that would do better. And then convert to bitmap. This will turn to shades of transparent rectangles. As you can see, this part is transparent, and this is like fully transparent here. So now go to the selection tool and select whatever shade you want, and copy, paint a new costume, paste it, and yeah, now you have a cool half transparent costume. You can resize it, you can extend it, you can even put a costume under it, like resize it up like this, and like this, and we can like copy and paste it here, switch to back, and yeah, it will look a little bit blurred, and yeah, I think that effect is cool. So that's it for today, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.